Starting the company is probably the hardest thing you'll ever do, and I had no idea what it would become. I just said I have this amount of money to do it with, and let's see where it goes. And yeah, it's definitely succeeded far more than I ever expected. And in the beginning, we only started with one Avid bay and one Pro Tools bay, and now we're pretty much a full service post facility. So we offer every kind of post service within one facility under one roof. When we decided to get into the color business, we went with DaVinci Resolve because that's the brand of color grading systems that I always knew from the past, and Blackmagic made it that much easier to get in once they bought DaVinci because it was a fraction of the price that it used to be. I bought 2 chassis of the 16 drive arrays, and they were fiber connected, so the fiber was fast throughput for the DaVinci, and I knew that would be good. And then we decided one of my tech engineers decided, well, why don't we stripe those 2 16 drive arrays together to make it a 32 drive array, so it'll just be that much faster with that much more throughput. And it worked really well for us. We never had any speed problems. We've produced and finished some of the biggest trailers and T-spots through that bay to this day, and the drives have been working great ever since.
And those are both Fibernetics drives?
Yeah, both of the chassis are Fibernetics chassis. They're the same exact models, and we just connected them together. So now that our DI bay has been up and running for a while, we just built a new DI bay actually with 2K, 4K projector on a big 20-foot Stewart screen, and we're doing a lot more high-end projects with trailers and features and some TV shows and stuff like that. We now need a much bigger drive set. Currently our two 32 drive chassis, or 2 16 drive chassis make 32 drives is about 20 terabytes. But we're talking to Fibernetics right now about upgrading the control cards in those chassis so that we can then put up to 6 terabyte drives in each chassis instead of 500 gig drives, and that'll take us to about 100 terabytes with just those 2 16 drive chassis. Data is it's so easy to record data and send data with fast internet speeds and drive speeds that we're just seeing that the projects are becoming bigger and bigger, so we need to expand our drive set to handle all these bigger projects. So speed is always the most important thing in our business. That's why we've decided to go with Fibernetics and companies like that give us the highest speed possible.